family business MAFAC is a leading manufacturer of aqueous part washers. For over 50 years, we have been finding solutions for our customers' cleaning requirements in the Black Forest. Therefore, we rely on compactly constructed serial machines that fulfill a broad range of applications and can be customized to individual needs due to a variety of options. They are all based on our unique and patented cleaning method of counter-rotating spray and basket receptacle systems.
The curiosity, commitment, knowledge and skills of our employees are the basis of our success. All together, we pursue the target of meeting the diverse and increasing demands on parts cleaning with economical solutions which are guaranteed to function in the future. Our technologies and products are a commitment to innovation, quality, efficiency and sustainability.